Today we're going to take you through one of the Northern Beach's most iconic suburbs, known for its beautiful beaches, some amazing walks, surfing, really cool cafes. This is Manley. Say someone has one day in Manley, what is a must do while they're here? I literally have about 3 of these a week. Oh, look at that cheese in there.
Beautiful lookouts. At the right time of year, you can see the whales.
I can definitely see why this one was both of their favourites. The only way to start a day in Manley is with some brunch. So I really wanted to gatekeep this one because, in my opinion, this is the best matcha, not only in Manley but in Sydney. If you've got a place that you love more, let me know in the comments below and I'll give it a try. But anyway, this is Noon. A moment for this colour. So good. You know, sometimes you get a matcha and it's a little bit gritty. No grit, super creamy. It's just the flavour is perfect. I literally have about 3 of these a week. So I'm here with Miles. Say someone has one day in Manley, what is a must do while they're here?
Maybe a quick dip, grab a drink from Winona, maybe for a sundowner, and then probably dinner at Buster. I'd say that's probably my favourite restaurant at the moment. Like really good, consistent Italian. It's mad. Wine list really good.
Perfect. We're actually going there later, so that's great that that's a recommendation. Yeah.
So we have the scramble with the black za'atar chili crisp, breakfast plate with our paleo seeded loaf and house cured salmon. And we have the pulled pork, carnitas, like our little spin on like a Mexican dish, pork shoulder, shallot, new potatoes, very tasty.
So we've got the Egyptian iced tea. I've not tried this one before, but according to the staff here, it is a must try. Okay, I can see why. There is lychee and lime in here along with the Egyptian iced tea, and that flavour is divine. It's like sweet and sour, like it's like a sour lolly. Everyone knows about Manley Beach, but if you want something a little more quiet, we're going to show you a hidden gem just up the road from the ferry terminal. It's a beautiful wee stroll to get to this spot, and you'll discover some other hidden beaches along the way as well. But today we're here to show you one of our favourites. This is Fairlight Beach. Now if you're at Manley Beach and you're looking for something a little different, head around to Shelley. It's just honestly stunning here, and I quite like it sometimes when I want to just float because there's no waves. Alright, time for lunch. We're at Buster and we're going to show you some of our favourite dishes here. So we have the anchovies, the crostino, which is kingfish and pistachio, the crudo, which is kingfish with cucumber, apple, macadamia and mustard leaf. And then for the pastas, we've chosen the campanelle, which is basil, stracciatella, lemon and zucchini flour. This one is so good, it's so saucy and divine. We've also got the tagliolini, which is prawn, tomato. I'm not even going to say what that is because there's words I can't explain. It's a tagliolini with prawns. It's just one of the best pastas ever. I'm going to start with the anchovy. I always go for this one because it is just so fresh. And like the anchovy gives it the perfect amount of salt. It's just a delicious mix of flavours. Another fave, the crostino. The pistachio is really subtle, but is like such a good flavour in there. It's just delicious. Now, yet another fave. I'm going to say this about every dish here because you can see why people rave about it. It is so good. The crudo. It's kingfish, cucumber, apple, macadamia and mustard leaf. Got to get a bit of that cucumber and apple on there too. So many different elements, so many different textures. It's packed with flavour. I wish we could make this interactive and I ask everyone what one I should start with. That'd be fun. Now, moving on to our pastas. I am going to start with this one. I love basil. Oh, look at that cheese in there. If you like a prawn pasta, you are going to love this one. So right next door to Buster is Winona. This is a gorgeous wine shop. They have so many natural wines, also some really cute gifts and snacks inside. The perfect wine shop if you're looking for something a little bit different. And for coffee, our favourite spot has to be the Roast Office. So this coffee shop is so different to any of the other coffee shops you usually go to or would find in Manly. The interiors are so cool, there's so much to look at. You could literally come here for a coffee on your own and just be mesmerised the entire time. But obviously we're here for the coffee because it is delish. I'm here with Vince, owner of the Roast Office, and Vince, I just wanted to ask you, if you were talking to someone that had one day only in Manly, what is one thing they must do?
I'd take a walk along the promenade and go from Shelley Beach up to Queenscliff or North Head. Beautiful lookouts. At the right time of year, you can see the whales from up there.
And we could not agree more. North Head is just stunning. It is the perfect spot to go for a little walk. Perhaps you want to have a picnic up there or catch the sunset. They are beautiful from them. As we all know, Sydney has some pretty cool wine bars, and some of you may not know that Manly actually has some very cool wine bars. So today we're here to try one of my faves, Bangkok. Okay, so I'm here with Reese and Joseph from Bangkok, and guys, wanted to ask you first off, what is your favourite dish on the menu?
We have a little sugar loaf cabbage number, and then Joe always cringes because I tell people that he kind of made it as like an ode to vegetarianism because I'm veggie.
Okay.
And he wanted to make a veggie dish that felt like a whole thing,
Yeah.
as opposed to just being like salad or some shit.
I did do it because he was veggie, and we never had a dish on the menu that was like just a veggie dish you could have. And I actually put it up there as one of my favorite dishes. I'm a big boy. I'll eat proteins like no tomorrow. But that veggie dish is actually like pretty good. I was actually like shocked how good it was. Like, God damn, I made this? God damn.
Here we have three of our favourite starters. We've got the lobster rolls, this is a must. And two of the skewers, we've got the mushroom, which is marinated for 36 hours, and the duck breast as well. And of course the drink, we're going to have a rosé, and then we're also having a little Negroni. This one's actually sparkling, which I'm very excited to try. Seriously, one of the best lobster rolls you can find in Sydney. The sauce in this is like top notch. This is why I get it every time. Night night. We're now going to try the octopus and the famous cabbage. The cabbage is so soft and it made the flavours like intuitive. I can definitely see why this one was both of their favourites. So there you have it. That is our perfect day in Manly. Let us know in the comments below your favourite spots in Manly and maybe we'll try them out next time. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next week.